Is this strawberry actually a blueberry? My bad. Is this blueberry the same? Like the same, exact, like literally same in the definition of its word. The same. Is this blueberry the same as this blueberry? The answer is no, because time. Actually, to clarify, I will make an example. Yeah? That same, not strawberry, blueberry, is in my stomach now. Disregarding the fact I chewed on it, if I were to swallow it whole, again, is it the same blueberry? Where by time I add factor of change. Time is change, not money change, but a differentiation of an object over time. By the way, it is not the same blueberry because I ate the previous one as well. This is a third one. The original one was long gone.